know the secret to big money online? Okay, here it is. It's getting tons of people to look at your offer. Okay, you already knew this, but do you know how to get tons of leads every day ready to sign up or buy from you? If you did, let's face it, you wouldn't be watching this video. Most people are terrible at getting leads. They buy clicks, solo ads, traffic, and with all that, they still fail miserably. When you have tons of leads, you can sell people over and over. Why do you think everywhere you go online wants you to put in your email address? Because they know once they have it, they can turn on a sales machine and keep sending you offers, and eventually you will buy. Multi-million-dollar companies do this daily, so why aren't you? The more leads, the more money. It's simple math. So why aren't most people doing it? Because you're using the wrong system and websites. You are branding companies and not yourself. You follow what the 99% who fail do, and you're expecting a different result. So you continue to fail and sit back and wish you could make some money. Well, now you can. Because we give you amazing lead-sucking tools that grab hundreds of leads a day off the net and social media. You can set these up with no technical skills and a click of your mouse. We have grandmas doing this and having a ton of success. So what's your excuse? We also have the hottest lead source that people have answered an ad, have money, and are looking to join a business right now. All you need to do is show them yours. How much more money would you have if you showed your business to people that are ready to join today? Haven't you wasted enough money trying to get traffic so you can try to get a lead? When we can deliver super hot leads to you ready to take action today, we have tons of people that went from average Joe status to dominating their company's leaderboard, getting huge checks using our powerful TCP lifestyle marketing system. Isn't it your turn? Guess what? We want to prove this works. So put your wallet away. You can join for free with no credit card required. How many companies offer you proof before they take your money? So if getting more leads than you can handle and seeing how to make more money in a day than some people make in a month interests you, then go sign up free right now. Or turn off this video, do nothing, and stay exactly where you are right now. We already know how that's worked out. You don't need any money or a credit card to get started today. So, take action and set up your free TCP Lifestyle System account right now.
We know that you can't wait to get your hands on all these tools the conversion pros offer, but what if you could get them for free? What if I told you not only can you get them for free, but you can make a lucrative monthly residual income? Here is all you have to do. Show people the tools. They will practically beg you for them anyway, because it will make their current business take off like a rocket ship. We will then split the profits with you and give you 50% on every sale. So on a $50 sale, you keep $25 of it. It doesn't get more fair than that. So if you get 2 sales, you made $50, so yours is now free. But let's do a few more examples. Let's say you referred 10 people. That would earn you $250 per month. If you referred 50 people, you would earn $1,250 per month. If you referred 100 people, you would earn $2,500 per month. If you referred 400 people, you would earn $10,000 per month on active members. The sky is the limit. Ask yourself this: who doesn't need more leads and a better way to convert them? Because this system is generic, it works with any business or product and can be used worldwide. Soon as you sign up, not only do you get to use the tools, but you will get a referral link immediately. We pay out commissions to you every single week. So get started today. Today!
This is Joe. Joe is a horrible recruiter. Joe is even a worse internet marketer. You joined one of those things? Even his whole family told him no. Let me know when you get rich. His coworkers laughed at him. Yeah, nope. I make more than you do. Even the coffee guy passed on the deal. Joe stinks because he's talking to all the wrong people. And then Joe found out about the Conversion Pros hot leads. Leads that answered ads from all the best home-based business magazines, radio, television, They're answering ads looking to join a home-based business right now. These leads, they're only sold one time to you. They're from the United States, delivered in real time. You're going to get name, email, and phone number. What kind of leads? You got generic, men and women, women only, men only, and weight loss. Good for any home-based business. The biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. Without TCP, these are $5 each, these leads. With TCP, the leads start at 88 cents for being a member. Do you want proof? Then check this out.
Alright guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is Jason Gerald, and I'm going to do a product review for you right now. Now, this product I'm going to do is called TCP, the Conversion Pros. And I use Conversion Pros every day. I use it for their email campaign. I also use their opt-in pages and their landing pages, and because they're very easy to build and to put together and link together. So the key to making business online and doing business online is figuring out how to put everything together so that you can make money. Okay, let me give you an overview of everything that TCP, the Conversion Pro systems, can do for you. Now, I'm on the free 7-day trial, and by the way, when you click on the link below, you'll get a free 7-day trial so you can go look around in TCP and check it out for yourself. So you get, when you buy this program, it is $50 a month. However, if you bring 2 other customers in, only 2, this product is free for you because you can get paid $25 per month just for promoting Conversion Pros. That's cool, number 1. Number 2 is it's a webinar builder, so you can have a page that you can create a video and that you can do webinars on and then send it out and watch people watch the webinars that you've done. It's got a creator, page creator, and it allows you to create opt-in pages and landing pages and all that directly within the tool. It also has an autoresponder, and it's got a cool because you can click on it and create short codes, and you can provide a list of autoresponder emails that can go out to your customers. And then if you got a team, you can give that code to somebody, that short code, and they can load it on their system, and they can actually have all of the autoresponders automatically. That's very neat. Email broadcast system, text message broadcaster. There's real-time weight loss leads, and that means opt-ins for weight loss. There's real-time female leads. There's blog creators, there's mobile website creators, a tiny URL shortener, so you got that. You've got URL tracker, so you can track your amount of clicks that are going out. QR code generator. You got custom video marketing, and I haven't got into the training yet. Really good training, internet marketing training, and you can actually put pixels on every one of your pages, landing pages, and conversion pages right there, so it has everything really easy to do. And you'll see it has a voice messaging or broadcasting service there, and there's also a lead audio dialer that's going to be available for you. There's a lot to this program, and it's very worth the money that you invest into it, and you can make your money and actually teach you how to do the business, and that's the key. Remember, in order to build the house, you have to be educated, and you have to learn how to build a house. This tool also provides the education and the tools to actually do the job. Alright guys, go check it out. Join the 7-day free trial by clicking below, and I look forward to working with you. Have a great day.
I just recently withdrew $4,000, okay? $4,000, haven't touched this business in 2 years, had to put in my PayPal account. I'm going to log in really quick to show you guys. And Conversion Pros still paid me on time regardless of my work. And I got paid off my original efforts even 2 years later. Most programs say they will pay you. Well, Conversion Pros proves it. Here's the $4,000 right here. And again, I didn't touch it in 2 years, ladies and gentlemen. This is the most powerful residual income I've ever seen. And I'm telling you right now, no other program is going to give you this much value. No other program is probably going to pay you because most people run in situations where they don't get paid. Well, I'm here to tell you, Conversion Pros pays. Whether you work or not, it will pay you for the work that you've done.